Welcome to the new videos, guys. In this video we are going to discuss about a very important topics related to the pressures, and the topic is how to prove, or we can say in examinations there may be a questions like that, prove that P is equal to H, D and G. This is the formula of the pressure. Okay, and this is a very important questions also for the examinations, because in examinations so these questions has asked many times. Okay, so first of all we have to see in this formula what are the terms are given in this formula. Let's see that the formula is P is equal to H, D and G. No, so first of all we have to know what is the meaning of H, what is the meaning of D and what is the meaning of G. So H means, H is the height of the liquid. Okay, height of liquid. D is equal to density of liquid, we can see, and G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Clear? So now we have to prove the formula of pressure on the basis of height, density and acceleration due to gravity. So how can we prove? Okay, so let's see, this is very easy, we don't have to use too much mind. Okay, so this is very easy. So to prove this formula, first of all we have to take the formula of the pressures which we have studied before also. So we know what we know the formula of pressures. Okay, the formula of pressures we have already studied, that P is equal to F by A. No, P is equal to F by A means pressure is the ratio of force applied on the body to the per unit surface area. No, this is called pressures. So we know this is the formula of pressure. So by taking this formula we can prove P is equal to SDG, which is the necessary topics. Okay, so let's see how can we prove P is equal to SDG on by this formula. So let's have a look here. We have to use in this formula instead of F, this is we already know the formula of F. No, so we pressure is equal to, we can write, or P is equal to we know what is the formula of force. Then we know formula of force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity by area. Same area becomes this area, we don't have to change right now. So here in bracket we have to write F is equal to mg, because we know the formula of force applied on a body is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Clear? So instead of F we can write m into g. Okay, so let's see this is the formula which we have to prove, that is SDG. No, so G we need in this formula, it means we have to neglect, we have to remove this m from this formula. So how can we remove? Let's see. Or P is equal to remove this formula we know already. Let's see, we have density is equal to mass by volume. No, so if we take the value of m from this formula, then we get d into v or not. So we can keep instead of m d into v right now here. So we can write d into v into z by a. Okay, and in bracket we have to write like that, that is d is equal to density is equal to mass by volume. Clear? So let's see, m instead of m we can write d into v into z. Now d we need, g also we need, but we have to remove this v. So let's see, P is equal to, we also know the formula of value v indicates the volume. So what is the formula of volume? That is L into B into H. No, so L into B indicates area into height. So can we write the formula of V is equal to A into H here? Then we get D into, instead of V, if we write A into H into Z divided by A. Okay, so we have to write here instead of V A into Z by and in bracket we have to also write, therefore V is equal to L into B into H. Okay, and L into B indicates the area into height. So here we get also area, this area and this area both get neglected. So finally we will get P is equal to H, D and G. Clear? So through this method we can prove P is equal to HTG. This is very easy formula guys, okay, and easy derivations also. Thank you very much.